I have a PhD in DNA editing. Here's a tier list of X-Men based off how easy I think they'd be to make in a lab. Down here at the bottom we got, I don't even know where to start. This is where I'm putting people with psychic powers, people from other dimensions. Storm, baby, I love you, but there is no DNA mutation that's gonna let you control the weather. Next up we got violates the laws of physics. This is anybody who can create or destroy matter or energy. I don't know what to tell you, fellas. Next up we got Now Hold On Now. So these are people whose powers do exist to a certain extent in the natural world, just like in animals instead of people. So like octopi and cuttlefish can remodel their whole bodies to blend in with their surroundings. Other animals can detect electromagnetic fields really well. And then these guys have clearly just been up to some weird stuff with splicing of animal DNA. Splicing of human cells into animal embryos is an option that's being explored to grow human organs for transplant, but making chimeras like this is not really on anyone's agenda. In yes but also no, I'm putting Darwin. His power is that his body automatically adapts to whatever situation he's in. So for example, if he's underwater, he'll suddenly grow gills. While you couldn't literally do this in a human being, he is a good theoretical example of what's called a conditional knockout or knock-in. Basically, you can program cells or even entire animals to turn specific genes on and off in response to environmental conditions like heat or specific chemicals. But this process is not instantaneous, and it's nothing as extreme as what he gets up to. Next up, we've got currently loading. Accelerated wound healing and limb regeneration are things that scientists are currently working on, and we've made some good progress in the last couple of years. Essentially, you need to reprogram stem cells into limb-forming cells, the same way that they would in an embryo whose limbs are first forming. And while so far this has been restricted to cells in a dish, in the next 100 years we might see people regenerating limbs Deadpool style. Finally, up at the top, we've got already a thing, which is where I'm putting super strength and armor plating. As far as armor plating goes, there are known mutations that cause people to form these keratin plates on their skin, so think like the texture of your fingernails. However, this is less a superpower and more debilitating disease, and I'm not going to give anybody Harlequin ichthyosis on purpose. And then for super strength, you may have already seen those viral photos of super jacked dogs and cows. If we inhibit myostatin, we already know what happens, so in theory it would be pretty easy to do this in a human embryo and create somebody with super strength if you had zero regard for bioethics. So here's the list. If I forgot your favorite mutant, let me know and I'll try and figure out where they go. TikTok